Yo, how's it going, everyone? This is SMB, and today I'm gonna be reacting back to AnimatedJames channel, and this time we're gonna be reacting to Sonic Boom Redesigns. So this wasn't necessarily requested, but I did saw the playlist of, John had made literally a Sonic playlist for me to react in the future. So I've already had one of this video in my future reaction playlist, but it doesn't really matter. I'm still gonna react to this. So here we go. Sonic Boom. It's a good Sonic cartoon. I mean, it came on Cartoon Network like 12 years ago, maybe. And I'm already seeing out of context clips from bigger YouTubers, or like mostly VTubers, who reacted to the Sonic Boom out of context clips. Like, I didn't know it was that bad. Like, what? Sonic Boom isn't that bad. But I heard the game was in hot waters. But from now on, we're gonna think positive, and I am just here to entertain y'all, okay? Nothing more, nothing less. So let's get this started and react to AnimatedJames. And I'll probably put, my previous AnimatedJames reactions down in the description. Probably, I guess the MLP / Sonic crossover animation is good enough. So yeah, I might add the previous, the AnimatedJames that were like related with just Sonic. But yeah, this is now Sonic Boom Redesigns. Let's get this started. And I hope it's entertaining. Okay, let's do this.
Not bad.
Well, what do you think?
Wow, Amy, I'm liking your new design. Hell, I just might ask you out.
Really?
No.
No.
I mean, we might all look different, and I might have this scarf that kind of makes me look like that.
I had a feeling he was about to say that.
I'm still gonna be a complete and total douche. Mainly,
he's still a douche, just like Sonic Zombies.
Good.
Did we all break our legs? Like, why are they making us wear all these bandages on our limbs?
Apparently it's supposed to be
why?
sports tape, because that's totally necessary now for some reason. I mean, I think it makes us look pretty badass.
Yeah, about as badass as a yellow fox.
You said no Sonic 06!
Female character.
So sorry.
And a red kid can be. In fact, is Knuckles done with his redesign yet?
Uh-oh. This can't be good. Oh my god. Oh my god, they gonna laugh at him.
Knuckles?
Yeah?
Didn't you ever watch that after-school special about how dangerous it is to take steroids?
He's gonna kill y'all. He's gonna kill y'all.
Guys, this is just so I look like the big, strong, tough guy I'm supposed to be.
I knew they were about to laugh at him.
Until he's been taking steroids, his dick and balls are totally gone.
Okay, that's fucked up.
I never had those to begin with.
That's fucked up.
You never had those to begin with either.
Yeah, but I'm not the big, strong, tough guy, now am I?
Doesn't matter!
Well, that's boring. That's slightly less boring.
Fuck off, Sonic. Fuck off, Amy. Fuck off, Tails. Oh my god, man. I was waiting for the longest of predicting that they will laugh at Knuckles. I had a feeling. Had a goddamn feeling they would laugh at Knuckles. Oh my god, they such assholes, man. Assholes. But I mean, you know, that is family-friendly Sega franchise. You know, just because they're naked, which the female characters, they're clothed. They don't need to, yeah, just because the animals are naked or nude. Oh, damn. Damn. I heard they made Knuckles sound a little bit childish and a little bit dumb on Sonic Boom. I don't know why they would do that. I mean, it's Knuckles. He's supposed to be serious. He's supposed to be strong. I mean, he is strong, but he's supposed to be serious. He's supposed to... He's not afraid to look death in the eyes type of Knuckles, echidna guy. But wow, I have no words. You win some, you lose some, perhaps. But okay, this was an okay AnimatedJames Sonic animation. Knuckles got fucked up friends, man. He got some fucked up friends that he still hang out with. But this was okay. Still like it. It's okay.